Everyone, this is Matt Squeaky Clean Air. It's been really steady, almost 2 years that I've been doing these vlogs in regards to air suspension and just some video coverage. There's a lot more to come. I do it for the passion, and I do it for giving you guys guidance into air suspension. It's also a good memoir for what I like to do. It's memories that I've created, that I have a tendency to sort of look back and see if I can improve. But I wanted to really thank everyone for watching the channel, liking, commenting. I know some of the most popular videos that I had are the W140 video. There's going to be much more content coming up, and you guys inspire me with your comments and questions. I know another one that's really popular is the one about the strut adjustment. I know some of you guys have a lot of issues and questions when it comes to sort of getting it pinpointed and getting it on point. With anything air suspension, you guys have to understand that it takes time. You cannot just pump out and try to do an installation like a day before an event. You need to take your time. You massage your suspension and adjust it and sort of get the right heights. But realistically, what really needs to be your guidance is not to overload the bag with a lot of air, and not to underinflate the bag with too little air. And that's really the key. But this is really a thank you for everyone watching and subscribing to the channel. And if you have anyone that likes air suspension or is new to air suspension and wants to learn about hard lines, about installation, invite them to the channel and have them like my content and comment on my videos. And I'll continue doing that. And thank you very much for watching. Have all the best. And it's, what is it? It's June 29th, 2022. And we're just getting started, and there's going to be a lot more content coming. So thank you very much and all the best. Keep modding your cars and do air suspension. Squeaky Clean Air, Matthew, out.